welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be just a little unboxing, but I'm so excited. So this is not necessarily luxury, but on this channel, if you saw my last video, I want to do luxury. So like, of course, purses, jewelry, all that, but also some travel. So this is an item, actually there's two items in here that I got specifically for an upcoming trip. And I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. So if you're not familiar with Béis, it is a brand. I'm just gonna start cutting while I'm chatting. But it is a brand that was started by Shay Mitchell, who is an actress. How did this, did I not open it? Oh, it's falling out. Okay, so I have the item here. This is the bag, I guess. Well, actually, I guess there's two. The way I cut it, you can open it from either side. But yeah, so she started her own brand. It started off being travel, so I actually have one of the suitcases there, but it's like these really aesthetically pleasing, like very modern nude suitcases. So one was like the color I have, which is a basic like nude color, and then she has black, and I think she might have actually launched a new color as well. But so it started off with suitcases and then like more travel accessories, and now she has like totes, purses, accessories for your phone, backpacks, like it's a whole thing. So I am going to New York City in a couple of months. And so I wanted to get these two things. I'm gonna save this one for last. But yeah, so this is the first item. How cute is her packaging? It says, get lost, find yourself, repeat. Are you kidding? That is so cute right there. Love it. But this is, well, I was gonna call it a bum bag because I have the, which I don't think you can tell. Where is it? Oh, it's out of the frame. It's up there a little bit higher above that YSL bag, but I have the Louis Vuitton bum bag. Maybe I'll do a review. I'll do a review on or not a review, but like a comparison. But Louis Vuitton calls it the bum bag. I just think that's a really cute name. So now I call all of these bum bags, but I guess technically it was historically called a fanny pack, which to me sounds so like 70s, 80s to call it like a fanny pack. But this is what, I mean, it basically is. So it's called the pack. Béis calls it the pack. And yeah, it's basically the same idea. Fanny pack, bum bag, the pack. But yeah, you wear it around your waist, or you can wear it like crossbody, kind of like this, which is how I wear it. I'll probably wear it like this maybe. And so I saw this online when I was getting this other item, and I was just like, this is so cute. And I know I have the Louis Vuitton one, but I just wanted to have options. So it comes with, let me just take this off. It comes with an adjustable strap here, which is really nice. And I think, oh, it has these extra little like hooks on here that you can like put your water bottle, I believe. So I actually have this one, a Hydro Flask. I'll have to figure out how they did it because I think I saw on the website that they did that somehow, but maybe you could like, maybe put this on like here, like so. Ooh, that makes it kind of heavy though. Mine is filled with water right now, but I think there's some way that you can connect it, or I don't know, maybe you just have it like that. But yeah, I honestly don't think I would do that. I don't know what I would use this for. Maybe a hair tie. But it is nice to have the option. If you don't want this little extra thing, you can just take it off right here. So, and just, you know, yeah, not have it there. But yeah, so it has this little closure here. Nice. And it snaps back into there. Okay, so the color, what is the color called? I think is it just like a nude? It's just like this really pretty nude shade, which I love, and hopefully my lights aren't washing it out so you guys are able to get the actual true color, but it is like a very true nude shade. So let me scoot up just so I can show you guys some details. So it says Béis down here at the bottom. And then it has a main zipper right here. And this is what the zipper looks like. It's very like sporty, but it's like sporty chic. You know what I mean? It's like modern sporty. And I feel like these bags are so good for travel. So it opens up like this. And oh yeah, I forgot it has this. I think this is just for looks maybe, or maybe there's another purpose. But on the website, it connects like this. If I can get this to open. Wow, this is really hard to open. This little like clip here is not opening very easily. Come on. Ah. Okay, so on the website, I think they just had this kind of hanging like this. I honestly don't know if I love that though. I kind of feel like I don't. I probably will not use this. I mean, it's good to have the option. It makes it, it gives it a little bit more of like flair. This is like a really, really tight, like rope looking, I don't know, thing. So, I mean, it's not bad to have, but I kind of, I mean, I just know me, I probably won't use it. And then on the inside, it's just one main compartment, and then you have this zipper right here. So, and let's see, just for fun, if this zipper, oh! I didn't even see this. Okay, so you guys, so it's the one main pocket, and then inside the zipper, and then look, card holder slot. Nice. That is so cool. Because then you can just put like your ID, a credit card, debit card, whatever you want. But I was gonna say, let's see if my phone can fit in this little pocket. Yep, it does. Perfect. So I have the iPhone. Now I don't have the biggest iPhone. This is the XS Max. So, I mean, mine's kind of old. It's at least 3 years old. But to show you guys, there's a good amount of room. Like that's how high it is. And that's kind of where mine sits. So you can see from here to here, there's definitely room for a larger phone. So if you wanted to zip your phone in there, and then I have little AirPods. All of my stuff is like, I mean, it wasn't on purpose. This is super old, but I just like very like nude, the aesthetic, but everything like matches. How cute is that? Even my nails are nude. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I was looking to see, there is, on the inside of this, there's a little clip here. And so for AirPods, you could just kind of, why do I always drop stuff in my videos? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I was saying, on the inside of this, there's this little like clip here. They have clips all over the place. Like there's a clip here. There's a clip on the inside. There's a clip on this zipper. So there's at least 3. I mean, there's clips everywhere, to be honest. So I just clipped them on here. Obviously, if you wanted to clip keys, you know, whatever you want. But yeah, and this is a really nice big opening. Like it looks like it's really nice and big. Let's see how the zipper zips. Nice and buttery. That's good. Okay. And then it has that, it's like that, almost like that, like nylon-y, not nylon, oh my gosh, like windbreaker type material. So I feel like if, you know, you got caught in the rain, it would be fine. That is one thing I will say for my honeymoon, just like walk around and stuff. I brought the Louis Vuitton one, and Louis Vuitton bum bag has vachetta. And so I honeymooned in Hawaii, and if you guys are familiar with Hawaii at all, it rains, I mean, just whenever it feels like it. So I actually didn't wear as much because I didn't want to get like water spots all over the vachetta. So for this one, you actually wouldn't have to worry about that because I mean, I don't know if it's necessarily marketed as being waterproof per se, but I mean, yeah, I feel like water couldn't really do too much to this. So yeah, this is the first item I got. Oh, almost forgot. On the back, there is another pocket. So, and this is a deep pocket. Actually, let's take my phone out of the interior pocket and see how it fits in this one. Okay, so this is the other pocket. So same thing, lots of room if your phone is a little bit larger than mine, if you have one of the like newer phones and maybe are a little bit bigger. And yeah, I'd probably wear mine in the front like this just because I think it looks like so cute and chic. And I feel like it's a little bit more safe because all of your stuff is like right here and you're still hands-free. So yeah, I purposely bought this because of the upcoming vacation. But I mean, obviously this is just a really cute bag to have in general on an everyday basis. Mall shopping, I mean, grocery store, hanging out with friends, whatever you want to do. I feel like this is a really cute little hands-free pack. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how the wear goes on, like, you know, how I like using it. But I'm really excited. It's like really pretty. Okay, and for the next item, before I show it to you, I want to show you this reel. Just because I feel like this is the true power of marketing. So I was on the Béis Instagram and I saw this reel, and if you look at the description, it says, just a casual shower in Costa Rica with our hanging shower caddy. I was like, are you kidding me? Just this whole vibe, this whole scene, all they were doing is like zooming in on this shower with their caddy. But I was sold. I was like, it makes me want to travel. I'm just getting good vibes. So yeah. This definitely sold me. But I will say, if you look at it, I love how the shower caddy is, in fact, obviously it's hanging on the shower head, and then you see like a razor, and then you see some products in there. So that is something that I have personally run into whenever my husband and I, we go and we travel. Sometimes the shower has a tub, but even when there is a tub, I feel like more often than not, they're kind of like the old school tubs. There's not a lot of room around the edge of the tub to put products. But a lot of times it's just a shower. So there is no tub. So you just go in, there's a shower, and there's like no like built-in shelves or anything. So you have to put your products like standing up on the floor, which I guess is not that big of a deal, but like my loofah, my razor, I don't know, I just don't really love that idea of just like putting everything on the shower floor. I mean, of course, we hope that the showers are clean before we, you know, check in, but I don't know. I just like the idea of having the caddy up, like hanging up on the actual shower head, and then being able to put in, you know, your travel size like face wash and shampoo, conditioner, the loofah, you know, your razor, all that stuff there, and you can just leave it there for your entire stay. And then when you leave, you just pack up all your stuff, shake it out, because it is supposed to be water resistant, I believe. Yeah, like it's meant to be hung in the shower. So as you saw, so this is what it looks like. The only color was black, but I don't know, I kind of don't mind that. This is what it looks like. Is this the hanging part? Isn't there like a little hook? Okay. Oh no, the hook's right here. Alrighty. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is the hook right here. And this is a flap right here. Is this a magnetic flap? Yes. Right here, there's a magnet, which I'll show you guys right there. Okay, so that snaps there. And then this is how, it's a little stiff, but not that big of a deal. Okay, this is gonna be open anyways. Let's take that out. So this is how it hangs. Let me back up so I can show you guys. This is how it hangs. You use the hook and you just hang it, pretend my hand is the shower head, and you basically just have it open like this. So I don't have like a ton of stuff in here, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys. So I have like a little clip back there, as you can see. And then I have a loofah and then my little travel face wash, which by the way, this is my favorite face wash. It's by Youth to the People, and it's the kale plus green tea, spinach and vitamins face wash. So it's basically like a green juice for your skin. And then I just have the razor down here, like they showed in their reel. But yeah, this is how it would kind of like hang in your bathroom. So nothing like earth shattering, but it's nothing that I have, and I feel like it's gonna be really, really helpful to take with me on vacation. So, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Just wanted to do this quick little unboxing. These came in the mail the other day, and I've been like, oh my gosh, it's been so hard not opening them, but I was like, no, you have to wait until you do a video. So I'm excited they're here. I'll let you know how they work out on vacation. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.